What is the process of a wastewater treatment plant? Although specific treatment methods may differ, the following phases are often included in a wastewater treatment plant process. Coagulation. There are numerous chemicals that can be applied to remove the numerous suspended particles and other pollutants. Normally 1 or 2 mixing reactors are used to add certain chemicals to the water, resulting in the formation of heavier particles that settle to the bottom of the tank. Aluminium-based coagulants, such as polyaluminium chloride and alum, are the most commonly employed. Coagulation of the particles can be aided by adjusting the pH just a little bit. Flocculation. Coagulated particles are mixed with long-chain polymers in the flocculation chamber until they form visible, settleable snowflakes that can be collected. Sedimentation. When it comes to wastewater treatment, the gravity settler is a well-known device where flocculated particles and water both flow into the chamber and disseminate out of it. Solids settle to the base of the clarifier as a result of a gradual settling process, and therefore water rises to the top and spillover at the clarifier's perimeter. Following this process, material that has been separated into fine particles is raked to one end of the clarifier, where it is mixed with other material and then sent to the bottom for dewatering or sludge handling in a separate process. Filter presses remove all of the water from the sludge during the dewatering procedure. The sludge water is placed on the press and clasped between 2 belts, and the slurry is then placed in a large hopper that either goes to a landfill or a place where the sludge can be used. As a general rule, this process's wastewater is recycled into the clarifier's feed water. Filtration. In most cases, gravity sand filters are the next step in the process. In these large areas, 2 to 4 feet of crushed silica sand with rough edges are placed, creating a filter. There are generally 2 to 4 feet of depth in the filter where sand is placed, where it is packed together firmly. Afterwards, the feed water is recirculated, which removes the solids from the water. Using a pressure multimedia filter in place of gravity sand filtration is an economical option for smaller-scale industrial systems. In some cases, ultrafiltration (UF) can be utilized in place of the gravity sand filter for a compressive clarification process. For the first time, membranes are being used for treatment, pumping wastewater straight from the source through the UF and removing the complete clarifier/filtration train. Disinfection. Disinfection is used to get rid of any remaining germs in the water. This may be done prior to filtration in order to disinfect and maintain the cleanliness of the filters. You'll need to apply additional disinfectant if your system does this step before filtering, because the filters will be cleansed and clear of bacteria. Chlorine kills germs at the source, resulting in reduced fouling. Distribution. Typically, when wastewater is recycled, it is placed into a holding tank where it can be reused as and when needed. Water towers and other collecting and distribution systems are used to pump the treated water around the city if it is to be used for municipal purposes. I hope this video will help you understand the wastewater treatment system, its purpose, its process, and various important elements in a detailed manner. Please feel free to like, share and comment.